Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 32 POS System in Laravel 11 point of sale. Expense store data from Laravel 11 from to database. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my Jump server already started Apache and MySQL is closed. And this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this POS system. This is a database. Inside this available, all table is available. Let's first of all, this is a new table is a create table name is a expense table. Means expense table is a create successfully expense. First of all, this is a ID is a create. Next is a description is a create, and second is a only amount. This is a expense amount. Successfully amount created, and this one column is available created date and updated date. This created, and last is a updated date is a set. This date and time is a select date and time where is null, as default it is 0, null and 255 means this is a text include. This is not a 255, this is only text. This is a null and primary key, and this is a 11, and this is a short name AL means auto increment. AL means click this, and primary key. All step by step implementation. ID description, this text 11, and this null. This is amount where 255 additional 0 created and updated. This successfully all expenses are available. Let's save file. Successfully save and good working. This is a successfully, this is a created. This table is a successfully created, and this is a my project available jump folder inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's this directory inside cmd open. Successfully this cmd is a working fine. This project directory inside. Let's run PSP artisan server. PSP artisan server working fine. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working. This is a login screen is available. Let's log in. Admin password is 12345678 and click this login, and not now. Successfully login, and this is available. This menu is a expense menu is already available. Let's click this expense menu, and this is not a route. Let's first of all, this is a sidebar menu is open. A resource view, and this is a layout, and this sidebar is successfully open, good working. This is not available. Let's new URL is a create admin URL admin / expense is a implementation expense, and this is a URL is available, and this is a active URL is a set. This is the active, same name is a copy inside this available, and paste here only name sense copy and paste. Second is available expense, this same name. One is available admin to one implementation. Let's save file and refresh this page and click this expense, and good working. This admin / expense is available. This is a good available. The same copy, and inside this is a new route is a create route inside this web.php route get expense. Inside this implementation expense controller, and this is a controller is same name copy controller and expense list. This is a list file, not a dummy file. This is a list file is a implement. First of all, this copy inside this is a use http controller and paste here. Successfully, this is the expand controller is a implementation. Inside this implementation, inside this new function is a create this file inside app http controller, and new controller is a create expense PSP. Successfully create less member controller open, and this is a copy and paste here, and this is a successfully set. And this is a model is a use, but this is a comment, and this is a not use this comment, and this name is a sense, this name is a expense controller, same file name is a this file name. Inside this implementation, this is a list file. List file is a set. Let's return view. This is a expense dot list save file. Successfully save file. Let's copy this view. Inside this not folder available, this folder is a successfully created in this list file. This is a list file expense. Inside this blade.psp successfully created, and this is a this expense is a file is a successfully created, and this is a hello save file, and I refresh this page. Good working. This hello is a fine, good working. This is a route, and this is a same name control, in the same name is a available. Let's expense. This is a remove. Inside this paste here, this paste, and this is a remove. Save file. This model inside this new model is a create the same model, new PSP. Successfully create this category control is a copy, and inside this paste here only simple name is a copy and paste here, and this is inside this name is available, this name table name is expense. Save file. Successfully expense is available, good working. Inside this is a list. Inside this add button is a implementation. First of all, this is a add button is a set this list file. Inside this hello is a remove, and this is a add button is a set this member. Inside this available member. Inside this add button is a this content is first of all this copy and paste here this content, and last this content copy and paste here, this content is a paste here. Save file. Successfully implementation. This is a working fine. This is a admin expense. Inside this one button is a implementation. This one button is a implementation. This is the main, and this paste here. Please write down this step by step. Source not use, not this copy, paste here. This is a paste here, copy and paste. Body is a not use this body, and this is a all command is a copy, and inside this paste here. This is a body tag body, and this is a search tag search, and this is a underscore include this underscore message file. This is a message success and error message only included. Please write down. This is the name is a sense, this name is a expense. Click this inside this, click on this show expense in a expense. This expense aid. Please write down this file is a, please step by step write down this expense inside this list file is a, write down this is a all good. Let's save file. This is a available, add new expense. This is available inside. This is a copy, same name is a copy, admin expense add, and this click this admin expense add, this is available. Same URL inside this same URL. Only simple way. This is a tag means get method. Let's open. This is a get method is a create route get paste here, and this expense class, and this is a add. Save file. Let's copy this name inside this function is a create public function and paste here, and this is a file is a return view, and the same name is a copy, and inside this is a add. Same copy this copy, and this expand inside new add blade PSP. Successfully create this member, copy this member inside this paste here, and this is a expense is a copy, back button is a expense is a copy. Save. This telephone is a not use, this description address is that use, and this is a name. First of all, this is a expense. First of all, this is the expense is a set expense. This is a live project. Add expense. This is the expense is small. Method is a post, and this first is a description. This first means description, same here cut, and this is a description is a set. This is a description, name is available, name description. Inside this enter description, and second is the implementation telephone. Telephone means amount, same name is amount. Amount is a set, and this is the same name. Copy, enter amount. All good, and this is the insert. Let's check this file. This is a all good. Let's click this back button. Working is a fine. This is a working is a fine. This back button inside this list is a show. Click this add. Successfully working fine add. This is a record description and amount inside this store. Description and amount inside this store. The same name is route is available. This route is a post route. This is a copy. Web.php open. This is a route post method post, and this is the expense class store. Save file. Let's copy this name public function, paste here request $request $save is equal to new, and this is the name is a paste here. $save is equal to trim request, and this is the same name. Close this, copy and paste here. $save and save. Return redirect admin expense with success record successfully create. Save file, and this is the database name is the implementation. This is the database name description, and inside this amount. Save file, and this is the inside this form is available. This form inside this name description. This is the description means address, and this is the number of amount and amount. Save file, and this type is a number. Type is a number. Please write down this file is a step by step. Write down. All good. And this model is already created. This model is successfully created. All good. Let's save file and refresh this page. All good. Let's first of all, this is description. Description is a sec description work in 5. Amount is a set. This is a 7 8 and click the submit. Successfully record is a created. This record is a created. Let's refresh this page. Successfully created. One description were in 587. This date is a successfully created. And this message is already implementation inside this record successfully create, and the success message is available inside this success message, but this file is implement. This list file is available. This file inside this included, otherwise not working. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. We are here to help 24/7. WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always anytime. Please contact. I am available. And this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Let's next implement expense. This part done. Amount is 7.5. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully 2 record is fine. This description ends 6.5. All good. Let's again this one. Data bin and amount is 789 and submit. Data bin and successfully working fine. This is a table is created. Data bin and successfully this is a record is created. This working fine. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.